Let's talk about categorization inside of ADD. For categorization, we basically have four different types of metadata. First up is category. Category is the broadest of the four types, and in ADD, there are seven. Ambience, Foley, footsteps, music, sound design, sound effects, and lastly, vocalizations. Next up is subcategory. So for effects, you really only have to worry about two types. The first of which is elements. So elements generally tend to be simple, single, one-shot sounds that you can load onto your triggers, and this also includes all of our ambiances. Next up is stems. Stems are longer, more complex sounds or strings of sounds that can be broken up with element markers, and then when they're brought in ADD, can be broken down along those element markers, or can be used as a single holistic sound. Next up is type. Types are a group of sounds within a category that contains multiple different types of sounds. So as you can see, for ambiances, we have interiors and industrial, Foley, different rooms like bedroom and kitchen. Footsteps tends to be the different types of surfaces. Sound effects includes things like weapons, guns, explosions, and transportation, while vocalization includes things like crowds, humans, and animals. Finally, we have subtypes. Subtypes are a narrow, focused collection of sounds within a type that often will be specific items or actions. So, as you can see, for this interior ambience, it's a room tone, industrial workshop, bedroom will have things like sheets and pillows, kitchens, things like silverware and plates. For footsteps, the subtypes will generally be the types of shoes upon the surface. For weapons, we have things like axes, knives, swords hitting different types of surfaces. And vocalizations, different types of expressions, so evil, angry, scared, happy, and different types of animals for animals. So to enter ambience, you simply have to go to the corresponding field and beginning typing things out, which will autocorrect if it's already within our system, or you can also use this drop-down. Same thing goes for all of the other fields. Just a note for things like type and subtype, if you want to fill those out using the autofill or the drop-down menu, they will only work if the field or fields above them are filled. And that is a quick overview of our categorization metadata inside the ADD importer.